So we got the heroes party in the dungeon. Oh my gosh, what are those, orcs? Ogres? Yo. Shit, we're starting over with action. Okay. Oh, damn. Oh, they got him surrounded? Ooh. Oh shit, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude, they're destroying them. Oh, still got the leader left. Come on, Mazuyuki. Oh my gosh, he freaking trips. And the sword breaks. It's gonna cut. Yep. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, he's still up after that? Nope. Well, they cleared the floor. Bro, his sword is in half. So, like, no one's... Like, were they watching it happen or what? I don't know if anyone saw that or not. I guess either way, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. Either way, he saved, you know, he cleared the floor, so, like, does it matter how he did it? Okay, who the hell are these guys? Bro literally tripped. His sword went in two, and the tip of it went inside the freaking back of the neck of the ogre. Oh, they have an inn on that floor, okay. I really like how they show us the floors of the dungeon. They're getting tons of business with the dungeon. 20 floors in 3 days? Wow. Oh, that's a new party. Oh, okay. Spirit correspondence? Oh, what? I mean, I guess that's not cheating, technically. Yeah, I mean, it's a good thing for them, because then other teams are going to be like, oh wait, so that team's doing it, so can we. She's like, money! Oh, wow. Dude. Dude, they are racking in money from the dungeon, the merchandise they're selling. Veldora. Yo, why is she hitting him? I think she's just excited. Yeah, bro, they're gonna get other nations to come in here. Like, they're doing a freaking good job right now. Yeah, dude, look at this. They're so successful. Oh gosh, dude. These two. It's like they're using people, but like, you know, they don't mean bad by it. Ooh, research facilities? Like a library? And then, damn, you got them making like freaking potions and a bunch of stuff like that. Reamer looks like a doctor. Dude, this is crazy. Oh, yeah, the vessel for Diablo. Bro, I was so intrigued by that last week, like, because he said it was someone that died. Oh, he's been in there for days. Did he just lose track of time or something? Did they make him some lunch? Oh, what'd they make him? More of those, slime, jello... No, just regular sandwiches? Okay. Oh boy, what does he want? Does he have another idea? Oh no, something's happening? Oh no. Oh, the new party? Yep. Dude, what is up with this party? Like, who are they? And, like, how strong are they? Damn. Okay, well, they got eliminated. Oh, she's just bringing people in? She's not even fighting? Okay. Okay, they are watching it. Oh, okay. So is that what they're using? Hmm. Then the party's dissolved. Oh, they're like swapping people out? Yo. What? That's crazy. They have 100 people. Masayuki didn't need 100 people. I almost feel like that's cheating, bro. Like, technically it's not, right? Ingracia, okay. So they sent them. Yeah, bro, like if you have an army of 100 people, you're gonna beat the dungeon, like. Isn't it made for only like 4 or 5 people in a party? Oh, Veldora, he's on the 50th. Oh, something else happened. Oh, what? So they're on the 51st. And they went to the 70th? Oh, jeez. Yo, that guy should not have spoke. She's pissed. Oh, she destroyed it. Okay. And all the bosses. So she beat it. Oh, wow. Okay. That's what I'm saying, bro. She's by herself doing this. And the Green Fury has 100 people. Oh, so they fought each other. Oh, dude. Did we get to see it? Oh, shit. Who won? Yo. I feel like she might have beaten him. Yeah, the same attack. Wait, he doesn't know. Yo, dude, like to see that fight would have been dope. So he won. Okay. Damn, so she made it all the way to the 104 and then lost. That's crazy. Oh no. They're gonna have to pay her. Oh, tell her no. Damn. Oh yeah, she's getting paid to be a teacher too. They just don't want to lose all that money to her. There's a fly in there. Okay, here's the boss. Him? The White King? Okay. Is Rimuru gonna, like, give him a power boost or something? Rimuru's gonna do something here. Oh, that's why he can't use his holy magic anymore. Okay, that makes sense. So, oh, okay, so now Rimuru's gonna give him some of his power. Secret of Faith and Grace. Ooh. Oh, shit, okay. So they form a contract so he can use his power. At least now he can fight in there. Oh my gosh. Yo! Oh, what now? He's got his own throne? That's where he's gonna sit and wait for people to come in on that floor? Yo, that is tough. He's like a skinny Anzagul from Overlord. So is he doing this with every boss past the 50th floor? Maybe Hinata destroyed it so bad that it can't. Hold on. Oh, just golems don't come back to life. Okay. Bro, we're crying. Yeah, they've really been working on this dungeon, making it better. Oh shit, Malim. What happened? Oh, her dragons are defeated. Okay. Why is she dragging them along? Oh my gosh, dude, she's crushing him. Damn, I feel bad for them. Come rest in my shadow. Oh boy. Oh no. Malim's like, you're coming back with me. You got more training to do. Okay. Oh, does she know that team? Oh, there's a trap on the 49th floor. Oh no. What are those? Pseudo souls? Substitute souls I modeled after soul vessels? What? Oh, for Diablo? And then master cores. Okay. I'm curious to see what these can do. So they just summon one? Oh shit. Oh, dude, that's pretty cool. Dude, this episode is actually really good. She got a little slime. Oh no. She wanted one like him. So they're gonna use these as a trap for them. Oh no. Are you hungry? So there's gonna be a soul inside of him? Or he moved his soul into that. Oh, okay. Oh, dude, that's sick. Yo, I like that. That is so cool. So they're each gonna do it? Their bodies are just gonna fall limp. Oh, now she can be a slime. Oh, okay, I see. They're gonna pretend to be monsters in the dungeon. Did they just get what? So they're weak? What the heck? Alright, so that was actually a pretty good episode. I really enjoyed that one, finding out more about the dungeon and them improving it. And then the soul thing. I thought that was really interesting, and I'm very excited to see the next episode. You guys tell me your thoughts down below in the comments. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.